Marty Mustang, wishing you the best of luck with distance learning. We love you, we miss you, and Mr. Blackwood and Mrs. Brink think you're great. Go Mustangs!
Golfer, I hope you guys had an amazing and productive first week of distance learning. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button notified every time we post a new video. Now Mr. Blackwood and Miss Brink is going to show us what it's like without us there. They miss us just as much as we miss them.
Mr. Blackwood, where are we? Is this a mark offer? There's no students anywhere.
Well, yes, Mrs. Brink, this is mark offer, and we are missing all of the students. I know Mrs. Brink and I are both missing everybody. We love to see you playing basketball and out here playing, but distance learning, we miss you. We want you to do your very best. The teachers have been working really hard. But yes, this is what mark offer looks like now, with weeds all over the playground instead of kids all over the playground, Mrs. Brink.
Oh, I don't like it like this. I miss you and I know you'll do fabulous. Go Mustangs.
Thank you. We're about to check out some awesome jokes. But if you want to submit jokes to Miss Knoll, either text the joke or send in a video filmed horizontally to Miss Knoll's email. Now let's check out these jokes. Knock knock.
Who's there?
Tuna.
Tuna who?
Tuna your piano. It sounds horrible.
Why did the student eat his homework? Because the teacher said it was a piece of cake.
Why'd the kid throw his clock out the window?
Why?
Because he wanted to see time fly. What do you call a sleeping cow?
What?
A cow dozer.
Rexy, do you mean a bulldozer?
Yeah.
Those jokes are so funny. I can't wait to hear next week's. Emily is showing us how to make paper tanks. Let's check it out.
Hi, I'm Emily, and today I'm going to show you how to make a paper tank. This is what it will turn out when it's finished. Maybe not. All you need is one piece of paper, but if you want it to be colorful, you need 2 pieces of paper, and it has to have colors, or you can just color it if you would like. And if you want to pause the video, you can put stripes on yours. First step is you gotta fold it, and then you gotta crease hard. Then you gotta fold it on the other side and crease hard. And then you're gonna fold it again on the other side and crease hard. And then you're gonna open it back up, and you're gonna find the line and just tear it. If you have your 2 pieces of paper, you're gonna make an X. So you're gonna fold it over and then crease. That's okay. And then you're gonna fold this over and make a crease. See how you made an X? Okay, and you're going to do the same thing with the other side. So next step is you're going to take the paper, fold it in. This is a difficult part. I still have trouble with this part, even though I did a couple. I'm going to bring this in like this, those 2 pieces, and then the top part of your X is going to come down like this, and then that's going to help you a lot with your tank. Same thing on the other side. Okay, and next step is you put one thing in like this and another one in, and then that part's done. Then you flip it over and you do the same thing, but now then you're going to put it under. Now, I'm going to take one side and fold it right there. Same thing with the other side. And then you're going to fold it back. And then fold it back again on the other side. And you're going to flip it over. And now you're going to turn it. And then you're going to take those two pieces that you folded like this. One's going to go on one side. And one's going to go on the other side. And that's how you make the body of the tank. Now we got to make the big thing that goes out of its mouth. I don't know what it's called. Okay, so you're going to take your other piece of paper. You might want to shorten it. So I'm just going to shorten mine. With the same technique we used to get the two pieces of paper. Now you're gonna roll it, roll it this way. Roll it up into like a tube. I'll be right back. I'm gonna get some tape. Paper tank. This is what it will turn out when it's finished.
That paper tank looks so cool. Let's check out some wonderful pretzels. I bet they taste so good.
Hi, my name is Paige, and we're going to be making easy homemade soft pretzels. And before you start, make sure to read your list either once or twice, and that make sure they have all the ingredients. And make sure to put your apron on, and if you have really long hair, put your hair up, and wash your hands, then you're ready. The ingredients are 1 and 1.5 cup of warm water, 1 packet of yeast, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter, slightly cooled. And 3 and 3.5 of flour. Let's get started. Step 1. Whisk the yeast into the warm water. Allow it to sit for 1 minute. Step 2. Pour your mixture into a big bowl. Then add the salt, brown sugar, and melted butter. And mix it all around so it's really good. Next, after the mixture is done, put the flour 1 cup at a time into the mixture and stir it around until the dough is no longer sticky. dough into a ball, put it in a bowl, and cover it lightly with a towel. And let it rest for 10 minutes. Ask an adult for help for this part. Add 9 cups of boiling water, 1/2 of baking soda into the pot. Make sure to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Cut the dough into 1/3 cup pieces. Roll the dough into a rope about 20 inches long. Now it's time to shape the pretzel. Pick it up, meet the 2 ends together, turn it around twice, and like that, and stuff it at the ends, and then make the pretzel wider. One more time. Put the 2 ends together, twist it twice, and put it straight down and make it wider. If shaping pretzels are too hard, try pretzel bites. Put the pretzel in the boiling water for 30 seconds. Take the pretzel out when it's done. Put it on a tray with a mat or parchment paper. Next, sprinkle sea salt or cinnamon sugar. Next, put the pretzels in the oven to 12 to 15 minutes. And voila, your pretzels are done. Enjoy!
Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Maroney again this week. So since I can't go live tomorrow, I made a little demo about crayon art for you to enjoy. And it's super simple, super fun, and I hope you enjoy it. Look, it looks like my hair is amazing right now. Hope you have fun with it. Make sure and share your creations. Bye!
So let's get into it. We're going to do crayon art 2 ways, and our inspiration from art history is Jackson Pollock, who you see here. He was an abstract expressionist painter. Here's some of his artwork, and wow, is it amazing. He used paint and he splattered and poured and splashed it all over big, huge canvases, and it is abstract, it is non-objective, and it's also accidental, and that's what we're going to do with our crayon. We're going to see what happens when we melt it. So the first method is pull the tape and then you pull it off. So here's a couple examples. Basically, you're taping off areas you don't want the crayon to go, so you can draw on that later. And all you need to do is tape or glue down your crayons at the top and then use a hairdryer to melt it and tilt it if you want it to have that rainy day effect. Now, for the second option, a little more in the Jackson Pollock-esque inspiration. You see I had a little accident here. is just melting them at random and seeing what you create, what kind of puddle or splatters you get. And then you take that and you create something along with it, like this. I did a crazy hair day or an umbrella. So we will get through this. I love and miss you all, and good luck with your creations. Can't wait to see them.
Thank you, Miss Maroney. I hope to try it soon. Let's go check out Ellie and our cute guinea pigs.
If you're looking for things to do during quarantine, now is a great time to get out and play with your pets. Whether it's giving them a walk, giving them a bath, or just letting them play outside. I don't know about you, but my pets love all the attention, and I had a lot of fun too.
Those guinea pigs are so cute. Getting on a schedule during distance learning is important. Let's see how one family does it.
Yay, morning cartoon! Gotta check in. Oh, now I need to go to the Google Classrooms. Give time and snack time! Oh, I need to do math. Lunch time! Oh, I gotta go do science. Oh, I need to read.
That looks like a lot of fun. So many different bells and alarms to keep you on task, but still have some downtime. Now, let's see some riddles from Jet. To make your guesses, go to bit.ly/Mustang Riddle. Hello, and welcome back to the riddle of the day. Today's riddle is going to be, if there are two cars going the same speed, how do they pass each other? Find out in the next video to see if you got it right.
That's a tricky riddle. To make your guesses, go to bit.ly/Mustang Riddle. If you want to be featured on MMNews, send Miss Noel an email. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and ring the bell to get notified when we post a new video. Until next time, Mustangs.